When you get to number 6, this is a sinking fund because it says find the monthly payment R needed to have a sinking fund accumulate the future value A, which is given. That's 8,000. The yearly interest rate R and the time T in years are given below. Interest is compounded monthly. Okay, so on this one, we are given A, which is $8,000. So again, it's this same formula of A equals, actually, let me go over here. Okay. All right. So this time we are given A. So the 8,000 goes right there. You are looking for R. So you just leave R there. And then I have to fill in the rest of this. And my subtraction sign a little long. Boop, there we go. Okay. Our rate is 8.5. So remember, when you divide that by 100, you get 0.085. So you're going to need a 0.085 right there, and also right there. And then it tells you that interest is compounded monthly. So my M, how many times they compound the interest, is done 12 times a year. So M is this denominator and this denominator. And then I need to figure out what my N is. And remember, N is M times T. N is the number of times that they're going to recalculate the interest. So I have to multiply M times T together. Now M is the 12 and T is, dark purple, T is 4. So 12 times 4 is 48. And that's going to be the exponent right here. So everybody is in place. Now, this is going to be 8,000 equals R times, and when I go into my calculator and I do, I'm going to kind of circle this in pencil here, all of this, okay?